Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a new toy to play with that I have been so excited to get my hands on ever since I first seen it. So you can imagine my delight when this bad boy just dropped through my letterbox the other day. For those of you who follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, you'll have seen already that when this came through I was so excited because it's literally me in a makeup product. So in here we've got the Naked Petite Heat palette by Urban Decay. This little palette, guys, it is so exciting. I mean, look at the packaging for one. It's got the kind of flame effect, it's got kind of metallic gold through it, and these little burning roses, and then inside you've got your kind of 6 matte shadows, all really nice and warm. For those of you who have followed me for a while, you will know that Naked Heat was my favourite palette of 2017. So this little mini, all matte, is definitely right up my street. So I figured for this week's video, what better way to spend it than doing a little quick slay with the little Naked Petite Heat by Urban Decay. So when you open the palette, you'll see here you've got a really nice mixture of colours. You've got some more kind of everyday shades up here, and then something a little bit more warm and a little bit more smoky down towards the second half of the palette. So the first thing I'm doing is just priming my eyes using the Urban Decay eye primer in Eden. I know I go on and on about how important it is to use an eye primer, but I really do notice a huge difference between using a concealer and an eye primer. I find that with an eye primer, especially with my Eden, my eyeshadow still looks really vibrant by the end of the day, whereas I feel when you use a concealer, yeah, it looks great at the start, but by the time you come home, that makeup that you've spent hours applying does not look as popping as it did at the start. And Eden's definitely my favourite of all the eye primers just because it's got that kind of concealing element in it, so it blanks out the lid and makes all the colours super popping when you put them on top. So the first colour I'm using is Wild Thing, which is a really nice matte burnt orange, and I'm just kind of stamping that out onto the crease. And using my Morphe R39, I'm just really stamping that colour out onto the crease, just where I know I want the shape of my eye to go, so when I go to blend it out it's going to be really nice and blown out, but it's not going to be too much. And Wild Thing was probably the colour that I was most excited about when I seen this palette, just because you all know I love a burnt orange, and like I said, I'm really super over the kind of neon bright orange eyeshadows that seem to be taking over the world just now, so something a little bit more neutral is definitely right up my street. And then once I'm happy with the colour laydown, I'm just taking the shade Hot Spell, and I'm just using that to kind of buff out the edges and start to diffuse that initial crease colour. Just because you all know there's nothing I hate more than a harsh blend with eyeshadow. I like it to be really soft, really well blended and really blown out. Ooh, I like how that colour is coming together already. You all know I love a little bit of a warm look. I try to play with colour and cool tones, but you know that a little bit of warmth is definitely where my heart lies, truly. Then in a Zoeva Luxe Petite crease brush, I'm just taking some of the shade Heist and just really using that to start deepening up the crease. And Heist is a really unusual colour. I really like it because it's got a little bit of depth to it, but it's not too dark that we're taking us right into that smoky stage right away. I think this would actually be really nice just as a kind of liner colour or something just everyday all over the lid, just kind of buffed out for a really soft and easy smoky eye. And you'll see how adding that little bit of Heist is added a little bit more depth to the look and just starts to kind of contour the eye for us. I think the colours are working really well together, and the shadows are really creamy and they're blending together really nicely, which is making this job super easy for me. Obviously it helps that the colours are all really kind of nice and matching undertones anyway, but the shadow formula is definitely super buttery and super blendable. I'm really liking it so far. Okay, so now we've got the crease looking super buffed out and smoked out, and I'm really liking how the colours are coming together. Initially what I was going to do was do a full matte smoke, however I've decided to switch up a little bit just because I wanted to do something a little bit more extra, a little bit more me. So what I'm going to do is just keep it still really nice and soft, but I just want to make sure that we're getting a little bit more drama going on. So we're just building up the shade Strike in the outer corner just to add some depth in that smoky outer corner. Just gently kind of dragging it in, but you don't want to take it too far because we're not going so dark with this look today. And then once we're happy with how the blend is coming together and you're getting that really nice kind of depth to the smoky eye, I'm going to just take a little bit more of my Eden primer and we're just going to carve out that crease again. So I'm patting out the edges of my Eden primer only because I don't want this to be a really structured and intense half cut crease. Done loads of them already, I'm sure you can find one on my channel. I want this to be a little bit more softer. I'm only using the Eden just to kind of reprime the eye, so that when I've gone with a lighter shade on top, it's going to make it really stand out. And then I'm just dipping my finger into the shade Inhale, which is a really nice pearlescent highlight shade. And I'm just pressing that down everywhere that we've added that Eden again, just as a really nice shimmery highlight lid colour. Now I'm just buffing a mixture of Wild Thing and Heist back into the crease, just to take away any harsh lines. And now we're just feathering a little bit of Wild Thing between the join between Inhale and Strike, just so that the eyes have got a really nice gradient finish. I am really liking how this look is coming together. I think that this is definitely a really easy way to do a little bit of a warm glam look, but as you can tell from the video, it literally took no time to do, so it was really easy and really quick, but it has given us maximum impact on the eyes. So now in a little pencil blender, I'm just running some Wild Thing on my lower lash line, and then I'm just taking Heist over top, and then just to finish off that smoky lower lash line, I'm going to go in with some more stripe. Once we smudge that pencil out, we're just using a little bit of the shade Inhale just to really highlight the inner eye. I really like these colours, I think it looks really nice, I really like the formula. Ooh. So I'm just loading my lashes up with the Subversion Lash Primer from Urban Decay. And my lashes need all the conditioning they can get, considering the amount of false lash abuse that I put them through. But we're going to make sure that our lashes are super coated in this. Don't forget the lower lash line too. And then for mascara, I am just loading my lashes up with my all-time favourite mascara, which is of course Perversion from Urban Decay. This mascara has been a firm favourite of mine for a few years now, and I just love the kind of volumizing effect it gives. And it's also really intensely black, so it's really nice for that dramatic effect. Do you know what, I don't think I'm going to need false lashes today. I've been kind of giving my lashes a break and not wearing falsies every day, and I'm really noticing a huge difference just now. Whether it is a habit that lasts, we'll see, but let's give this lash free thing a try. Oh my god, I think my lashes are looking super popping. I think I need to give this no falsies thing a try. So let's watch next week when I put on like 10 pairs stacked together to make up for lost time, because that's how we roll. But anyway, just to finish this look off, let's go in with a lip. For lip liner, I have put in with my Urban Decay lip liner in Nighthawk, and then for lipstick, I'm going to use Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in Fuel, which is part of the Heat collection, so will match in really nicely with this eye look. I'm really liking this colour on the lips, but I think I want to make a little bit more of an ombre lip on today, so a tip I've been loving for that recently is to go in with some more of my Urban Decay Eden Eye Primer and just pop a little bit in the centre of the lips. And just really kind of patting that out into the lipstick will give your lips a really easy ombre. I have been doing this with so many colours recently, just because it saves me having to buy like 2 lipsticks and I want to do an ombre lip. I've got my little Eden Eye Primer there, so that does all the work for me. So that's us come to the end of the look. Time flies when you're having fun, obviously. This look I'm really liking. I think that the eyes have turned out really nice, really quick and easy. Really like that lip. I've had it sitting there for so long and I haven't used it, but this Petite Heat palette has definitely inspired me to dig it out again. This little palette is honestly, oh, like the formula is so nice, it's so creamy, they blend together so nicely. The colours, I mean, nailed it. Like these colours are a dream, I love them. The formula is so nice, I can see myself using this palette a lot, so apologies in advance to those of you who follow me on Instagram, because I'm guessing the next few weeks is going to be Petite Heat day in, day out. Sorry, not sorry. But yeah, thanks so much for watching guys. That is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it and learned something cool today. If you want to see more from me, then you can always check me out on my usual social medias, which will be in the usual place right here. And yeah, I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and wait, have you hit subscribe? Oh wait, because you need to hit subscribe before you go. Done it? Done? Cool. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope to see you on the next one. If you've got any ideas of videos you'd like me to do next, then please put them in the comments below, because I am running out of things to do and my bank balance can't take me just buying new makeup every week for videos. So anything you'd like to see me do, any looks you'd like to see me do, any products you'd like to see me review, then just pop them in the comments below. Like I said, you can get me on my usual social medias and hit me up there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!